In yet another case highlighting the hardships faced by expectant mothers in rural Odisha, a woman was forced to give birth on the way to a hospital after an ambulance failed to reach a village due to poor road connectivity. The incident occurred at Chanchada under Kalyan Singhpur block in Rayagada district. According to reports, Bonita, wife of Sunil Praska, developed labor pain late in the night and her family immediately contacted the ambulance service. However, due to muddy and inaccessible road, the ambulance could only reach the outskirts of the village and could not proceed further. With no other option, an ASHA worker and villagers carried the pregnant woman on foot towards the health facility. On the way, Bonita delivered a baby girl. Both mother and newborn were later shifted to Kalyan Singhpur Community Health Center, where they are currently undergoing treatment. Doctors have confirmed that their condition is stable. The incident has once again brought to the fore the difficulties faced by people in interior regions where poor road conditions often deny them timely medical care, especially during emergencies.
से रास्ता कादुओ गोड़ भासी जाऊे गाड़ी जाई पाला ना रास्ता रे गाड़ी रहिला मुझे गली से माँ पाक गली माँ को केमती आणबी बोल के से व्यवस्था कली घरे खट मध्य ना कि पुरुष लोक मध्य जड़े किए नहांते घर घर बुली समस्त उठेली उठेला पर किए भी छुईबा नाराज मारा हो आम छुईबू ना बोल कहले से माँ को हाथ धरिकी आणुलु अधा बाटे से डेलीवरी हो गला रास्ता नहबा हेतु बहुत हैरान होउची आ से माँ माने भी बहुत हैरान होचंती।